All right, we're going to finish up this section. We're going to go over these 4 blanks as well as numbers 3 and 6. So the first special case is if an inscribed angle intercepts a diameter. So in other words, this angle right here, if it's essentially opening up to a diameter, well, that whole arc here is 180 degrees. So if I were to divide that by 2 to get my angle, I would get a 90-degree angle. It's a right angle. So this is actually a right angle if my angle essentially opens up to a semicircle, 180 degrees. So the measure of angle BAC is 90 degrees. All right. If we look at number 3 right here, this angle PQR right here is opening up to a diameter. In other words, this arc right here, this arc is 180, oh goodness, I can't, 180 degrees. And so that angle is 90 degrees. Every time it'll happen like this. If the angle opens up to a semicircle, my angle inside is a right angle. It's a 90-degree angle. The other special case is overlapping angles. So 2 inscribed angles that essentially intercept the same arc. So if I have angle BAC and angle ABD and ACD, they both are essentially having endpoints that cover this arc AD. They have the same arc, right? And so since they have the same arc, they will be the same measure angle. So angle ABD is exactly the same as angle ACD because they have the same arc, are congruent, or in other words, equal to each other. So because they intercept the same arc, they are going to be equal to each other. If I look at number 6, it's asking for angle RST. RST is right here. And angle RUT, which is right here. And we know that they are going to be equal to each other because they both open up to the same section, this same arc right here. Whatever arc RT is, that's going to help us solve for both of those answers. So let's really quick figure out what RT is. RT is essentially 360 minus these 3 pieces, right? 360 minus 64 minus 75 minus 139. It gives us a total of, what's 360 minus all those? Of 82 degrees. So my arc over here is 82 degrees. My angle is going to be half of that. Angle RST is going to be half of that, 41 degrees. And this same angle is doing the same exact arc, 82 degrees, so half of that is 41. They are the same angle measure because they both open up to the same arc. All right, so if you see that crisscrossy pattern, know that that one arc is going to tell you what these 2 angle measures both are. You'll have that happen to you on number 6 down at the bottom. The next slide, you'll be answering all 6 of these questions.